Yeah, it's always good to study and deeply understand the incentives under which the world operates so that you don't get swept up into the forces that operate under these incentives. And big pharma is certainly one of them. Pharmaceutical companies have a huge incentive to keep the problem going versus solving the problem. It's wise.
This is something I practice every day. I read some piece of news and I ask myself, who benefits from me reading this? Then you can end up coming to this conclusion that maybe 95% of things we read in the news have been written and published because somebody wanted you to buy some product, support some political cause, fight some war, donate some money, let's do something that would benefit other people. And this is not a problem to support causes that you truly believe in, as long as it was your intentional choice and you're not being manipulated into fighting other people's wars.
And that takes us back to the original thing we started talking about, which is freedom. One of the ways to achieve freedom of thought is to remove your mind from the influences, the forces that manipulate you. That's really important to realize. The content you consume, especially on the internet, when a large percentage of it is designed to manipulate your mind, you have to disconnect yourself. Or be very proactive understanding what the biases, what the incentives are, so you can think clearly, independently, and objectively.
And again, it ties back with restraint from alcohol.
Yeah.
Because if your mind is clouded, how can you analyze yourself? You'll always be dependent on opinions of others. You will always follow the mainstream. And then whatever the authorities or whoever in charge will tell you, you'll believe it because you don't have a tool of your own to rely on to come to your own conclusions.